Okay, guys. So today we are going to do Form 4 Chapter 3. Okay, Form 4 Bab 3. Alright. So Form 4 Chapter 3 is System of Equation. Okay, System Persamaan. Alright. Okay, wait guys. Let me find the page first. Okay. Okay. So today is our fifth one lah. Okay, intensive class yang kelima in total. Alright. So guys, tell me, what do you know about system of equation? Cuba bagi tahu saya, apa yang kamu faham tentang sistem persamaan? Yes, saya akan ajar dua-dua kaedah, jangan risau. Okay, I will teach you both method, guys. Substitution and also elimination. Saya akan ajar penggantian dan penghapusan. Ada satu contoh soalan, okay, yang saya akan bagi. So guys, what do you know about system of equation? Can you tell me generally, apa yang kamu faham tentang bab ni? What do you all understand from this chapter, from 4 chapter 3? Cuba comment. What do you understand generally? Any keywords? Ada apa-apa kata kunci yang boleh keluar di minda kamu bila nampak bab ni? Yes, correct. Okay guys, very important point. This chapter, we are dealing with 3 variable. Okay, you must remember that guys. Bab ni kita akan bermain dengan 3 pemboleh ubah. Okay, 3 variables. Alright. Yes. Actually ada 3 kaedah putra, bukan 2 sahaja. Okay, there's actually 3 method guys. The third method is your graphical method, kaedah lakaran graf. Ada soalan trial yang tanya yang tu tahu guys, kena guna kaedah lakaran graf untuk selesaikan sistem persamaan. Pernah nampak tak soalan ni? Hello Kartik. Have you all seen there's one trial question, they ask you to use graph method, this year one, 2024. Very new one. Soalan trial sebelumnya tak ada macam ni. Mereka specify kaedah lukisan graf. Okay, you must do the graph method. So you must know how to sketch the graph. Kena tahu lakar graf. Contoh graf bulatan. Contoh graf garis lurus. Yes. Okay, persamaan linear and tak linear. Very good. Okay, so you all have the general concept lah. Okay guys, so first part in this chapter, we will talk about 3 variable. How to solve. Macam mana selesaikan persamaan berkenaan 3 pemboleh ubah. And then the second part, we will talk about persamaan linear dan persamaan tak linear. Okay, linear equation and non-linear equation. Only 2 parts this chapter. 2 bahagian sahaja. Alright? Okay. So guys, I give you all a quote lah at the start of the lesson as always. Saya bagi perumpamaan. So the quote is, study to learn, do not study to pass. Okay, you all understand right? The meaning. Okay, belajar untuk menambahkan ilmu pengetahuan. Jangan belajar untuk pass atau lulus exam sahaja. Macam admits lah. Okay, you have to study to learn, not to pass or get good grade alone. Okay, alright. So we come to the lesson itself. Okay guys, so the first part as I told you got linear equation in 3 variable. Okay, persamaan linear dalam 3 pemboleh ubah. Alright. Okay, so guys, you must know a few type of solution in this chapter. Apa jenis-jenis penyelesaian guys kamu ada dalam bab ni? How many type of solution you have in this chapter? Trial question they like to ask also. Soalan percubaan akan tanya, apa jenis penyelesaian bagi sistem persamaan ni? What is the type of solution to the system of equation? Okay, so you must know these 3 type. Okay, the first type is called as one solution. Okay, satu penyelesaian. Dua apa Afiq? Bukan, ada 3. 3 penyelesaian. Okay, there are three type of solution. Okay, first solution, satu penyelesaian, or called as one solution in English. Okay, and then second is called as infinite solution. Okay, penyelesaian tak terhingga. The third one is called no solution, tiada penyelesaian. Have you all heard of these guys? Yes or no? Pernah dengar tentang yang ni guys? What do you all think? Selalu dengar kan? Tak pernah dengar. Okay, harap hari ni kamu semua tahulah yang ni. You must know how to know which one belong to which one. Okay, kamu kena tahu case mana adalah yang mana. Oh, okay. Tapi yang ni suka keluar soalan trial dah. There is a recent trend they like to ask you on this. My time was no solution and infinite solution. Yes, yes. Guys, which one is the hardest one? If I ask you, these two guys. These two is the hardest. Dua-dua ni adalah yang paling susah. Okay guys? Infinite solution and no solution. Tak terhingga dan tiada penyelesaian. Okay, kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat. Yang biasa kamu jumpa, the normal one that you all see is this one, guys. One solution, satu penyelesaian. Maksud dia apa, guys? What is the meaning? Means that you get all the answer lah. Kamu dapat semua jawapan. Contoh, okay, x equal to 3, y equal to 8, z equal to 2. This is what you call as one solution. Satu penyelesaian. Means you can get all the three answer. Kamu boleh dapat ketiga-tiga jawapan. Faham? Okay, so what about tak terhingga? Okay, infinite solution. Oh, huh? Now, oh, are you form 4? Kenneth, are you form 4 now? So I scared already. Admit exam next Wednesday. Oh, no wonder I thinking about form 5. I always think about form 5, so I scared already when someone say admit exam next Wednesday, huh? SPM next Wednesday, Oh, all these form 4 lah. Okay, okay. How many form 4 here? Can you all comment? Siapa tingkatan 4 di sini? Tingkatan 4. Type me. Me, 1, 2 already, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got lah, a lot. Wow, 10 already. Okay, 11, 12. Wow, so many form 4. Saya babu ni ada exam. Huh? Oh, yang tu tak kira lah, Fik. Yang tu cikgu buat maksudnya class test. Am I right? Ujian saja, bukan exam. Betul? Is test. Yes, yes, I will. Okay, saya esok. Kamu juga form 4 ke? Okay, baguslah kamu join. Okay, guys. So what is called as, yes, hello, Rahman. Okay, so tak terhingga, infinite solution. What is the meaning, guys? Okay, I think if not mistaken, you will get this. Am I right, guys? Infinite solution. Yes, yes, yes. I will explain, don't worry. Okay, infinite solution mean that 0 equals 0. Okay, penyelesaian tak terhingga maksudnya kosong sama dengan kosong. You will get this answer, guys, when you solve. Okay, kamu akan dapat nilai ni bila selesaikan. Boleh nampak perbezaan dengan ni, guys? Can you see the difference? Totally different. Okay, jauh berbeza. Okay, so this is what we call as penyelesaian tak terhingga. Okay, infinite solution. Alright, there's another type also called as no solution. Okay, tiada penyelesaian. Okay, guys, can anyone give me an example? What is the meaning of no solution? Saya tanya kamu sekarang. Very good, Kartik. The answer is something like this. Okay, you will have one side have number, another side is 0. Okay, satu belah persamaan kosong, satu belah persamaan, satu lagi nombor. Itu adalah tiada penyelesaian. No solution. 0 equals 0 sama je kan dengan P. Tapi P boleh ada nilai. Betul kan, Putra? Kosong tu adalah spesifik. So, kamu tak boleh kata satu pemboleh ubah macam tu. Sebab P boleh ambil apa-apa nilai. Melainkan kamu bagi syarat kat dia lah. Kalau kamu bagi P sama dengan kosong, betul lah. P sama dengan P. Boleh faham? Tapi kalau tak ada syarat, dia boleh jadi 1 sama dengan 1, 2 sama dengan 2, ataupun apa-apa. Okay? Okay, so guys, do you all understand, guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Okay, Siddhartha, noted. 1 or 2, guys. 1 maksudnya faham, 2 maksudnya tak faham. Okay, 1 is understand, 2 is don't understand. Very simple. Okay, so until now, 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? 1 Okay, very good. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so next step that you all must know is, what are the 2 methods to solve simultaneous equation? Apa 2 kaedah untuk selesaikan sistem persamaan? Okay, I think you all know this since lower form. Am I right? Menengah rendah matematik kamu semua dah belajar kan yang ni. Okay, penghapusan dan penggantian. Substitution and elimination. Alright, these are the 2 methods. Okay, for this part, right, you cannot draw a graph. Okay, untuk bahagian ni, tak ada kaedah penyelesaian graph. Okay, there is no graphical method. Can anyone tell me why? Kenapa sistem persamaan 3 pemboleh ubah dia tak ada kaedah penyelesaian graph? May I know? Why 3 variable, we cannot use the graph drawing method? Very good, guys. 3D. Guys, you must understand, when you have 3 variable, right? Bila ada 3 pemboleh ubah, maksudnya kamu ada bentuk 3 dimensi. Okay? 3 variable means 3 dimension. 2 variable means 2 dimension. Understand or not, guys? Okay, 3 pemboleh ubah maksudnya kamu dapat bentuk 3D. Bentuk 3D kamu boleh lukis tak, guys? Atas paksi. Tak pernah belajar kan? Okay, I don't think you all learn how to draw 3D. Okay, graphical method. Kamu kena guna software lah. This type of thing like guys, perisian komputer paling bagus. Okay, you can use software to show the three variable. Bukan seni lah, yang ni jauh dari seni. Yang ni kena guna software. Okay, macam apa kata, design, graphic design, something like that. You guys heard, right? Must have the software in the computer to show how the shape will look like. Macam mana bentuk tu nampak. Alright? GeoGebra, something like that. Correct. You can use those apps. Example of three variable, anything. Okay, example, I give you this equation. 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 178. Okay, this is a system of equation in three variable. Tiga pemboleh ubah. Okay, x, y, z. Okay, and also one more thing guys, you must take note. The power, right? Kuasa setiap pemboleh ubah ni kena satu tau. Okay, the power of each variable must be 1 in this subtopic. Okay, it must be 1. When you go to the next part, you can see you will have power 2. Kamu akan ada kuasa 2. Tapi yang ni hanya boleh kuasa 1. Yes. Okay, because you see guys, the topic is actually yang ni. Persamaan linear. Okay, linear equation in 3 variable. Okay, linear means what guys? Kuasa 1. Am I right? Y equal to mx plus c. This is linear. Linear is x power 1. X kuasa 1. Example, 2 variable, this one lah. C delta. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so you can just write like this. Boleh tulis macam ni. Y sama dengan 2x tambah 5. This is 2 variable, y and x. Okay, alright. So we go to the next part guys. Okay, so the second part in this chapter, kamu akan belajar yang ni. Okay, satu persamaan linear dan satu persamaan bukan linear. Alright, you must know how to solve the linear and also non-linear equation. Okay, so guys, can you all give me an example of non-linear equation? Siapa boleh bagi saya satu contoh persamaan bukan linear? Anyone? Cuba bagi contoh. Give me an example. Guys, when I say equation, right? Bila saya cakap persamaan, kamu mesti tulis simbol sama dengan. Tahu? Okay, because equation means equals. Am I right? You must have the equal sign. Persamaan kena ada simbol sama dengan. Okay? Afiq, betul. Boleh. Can. Putra, macam mana kamu nak selesaikan yang tu, Putra? Okay, yang ni agak pelik lah. Tapi, okay, mungkin kamu bagi nilai selain kosong lah. Dia nampak lebih logik. Okay? Boleh. Yang tu boleh. Okay, so I like Afiq example. Q boleh. Okay? So guys, this is an example of non-linear equation. Persamaan bukan linear. Okay, why? Because it's x power 2. Okay, x kuasa 2. Can you all see it? Okay, so can anyone give me linear equation? Persamaan linear. Siapa boleh bagi contoh? This one very simple lah guys. Sangat mudah. Anyone? Linear equation. Persamaan linear. Anything also can. Anyone? Persamaan linear. Come on. Can you all give me an example? Satu contoh. Yes, correct. Okay, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Boleh? Okay, so guys, now you have two equation already here. Am I right? Kamu ada dua persamaan. So guys, we can always use two method to solve the x and y. Okay, kamu boleh guna dua kaedah untuk cari x dan y. Okay, first method is called substitution. Penggantian. Okay guys, now I want to ask you, kamu akan gantikan dari linear ke bukan linear atau bukan linear ke linear? Cuba bagi tahu saya guys. Do you substitute from the linear equation to non-linear equation or the other way around? Which one? Yes. Always remember guys, dia tak boleh ada 3 variables kalau non. Yes, betul. Dia hanya 2 variables untuk bahagian ni guys. Maximum 2. Always. Linear ke bukan linear? Yes. Very good. Correct. Okay guys, you must remember, you must always do linear substitute to non-linear. Okay, selalu linear kena ganti kepada bukan linear. Kenapa? Sebab linear adalah satu persamaan yang lebih senang. Betul? It is a more simple equation. Okay, kamu nampak pun dia nampak lebih senang. It looks more easy. So the concept is we always substitute an easy equation into a more complex equation. This is complex guys. Ini adalah persamaan yang kompleks. Kenapa complex? Because kuasa 2 guys. Power 2. Power 2 means complex already. Okay? So that's why we will take this step. Yang ni tak boleh. Okay. So second method is what we call as graphical method guys. Kaedah perwakilan graf. So guys, how to actually do this? Macam mana nak buat kaedah ni? Sangat senang. Kamu kena plot beberapa titik sahaja. Okay, you just plot a few points for both of these equation atas graph kamu. Both of these graph, you just plot a few points. Any point that you like. But you must know the general shape of the graph. Okay, kamu kena tahu bentuk arm graph dia. Okay, baru kamu boleh lukis. Am I right? Macam yang ni adalah garis lurus. Okay, straight line. Okay guys, saya nak tanya. Graph ni nampak macam mana? X square tambah Y sama dengan 4. How does this graph look like? Anyone? Yang ni graph bentuk dia macam mana? Anyone know or not? Siapa tahu? Bentuk graph. Bukan. Parabola tu kuadratik kan? Am I right? Yes. Yes, Putra. Yang tu untuk bulat. Not smile guys. Guys, when you have two variable, right? It's not quadratic. Bila kamu ada X dan Y dalam persamaan sama, dia pasti bukan quadratic. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so you can't have the smiley face. Okay? It will be close to a circle lah. Dia akan hampir dengan wait. Sada guys. Oh yeah. Correct guys. Sorry. This one will be a quadratic. Yes. Dia akan jadi parabola. Correct guys. Okay, because I can shift like this. Saya boleh tukar macam ni. Am I right guys? Y equal to 4 minus X square. This one is a quadratic. Am I right? Graph ni adalah quadratic. Correct. Okay. So guys, if I modify like this, you tell me what shape. Saya modify soalan. X square plus Y square equal to, wait, I just add a few terms. So guys, tell me, this graph ni nampak bentuk apa? What does this graph look like? What shape? Anyone know? Yes, this is a circle guys. Your locus equation. Persamaan locus. That's why it's called as circle. Okay, locus is actually circle. In other words. Okay? Yes. So you must just know all these basic graphs lah. Kena tahu graph ke asas. Okay guys, now I ask you a question. Why cannot we use elimination method over here? Kenapa dia tak tulis kaedah penghapusan guys kat sini? Got only two method here. Why elimination cannot? Kenapa penghapusan tak boleh? Untuk satu linear, satu bukan linear. Can anyone tell me? So why do you think? Oh, smile is if you see X square, quadratic. Am I right? Okay. If you see circle, you will have X square and also Y square. Okay, both of it you will see in one equation, X square and Y square. That's why you can see a circle. Okay. Sebab kuasa 2 tak boleh. Yes, very good guys. Because linear and non-linear, dia ada dua kuasa berbeza. Betul? They have two different power. So guys, how do you eliminate them? Macam mana kamu nak hapuskan dua kuasa berbeza? Mustahil kan? It's almost impossible. Okay, that's why kita tak boleh guna kaedah penghapusan untuk bahagian ni. We cannot use elimination method. Okay? Do you all understand? One or two? Satu atau dua? For this one? Satu Okay. So now we come to some example guys. You can see how they solve. Macam mana nak selesaikan. Okay guys. So this is the example of question. Okay. So now, this is elimination method. Kaedah penghapusan. The first one. Okay. So guys, it is very general. Dia sangat tak ada satu cara sahaja. Not only one way. There is many way you can think of. Okay. So now, if you see this equation, right? Kamu tengok, kamu nak hapuskan pemboleh ubah mana guys? You want to eliminate which variable? X, Y or Z? Kamu fikir. What do you all think? Do you want to eliminate X, Y or Z? Kat sini. Anyone? Yes. Okay, mengapa kamu pilih untuk hapuskan X guys? Why do you think X? Because you see the similarity. Kamu nampak persamaan. Yes. Okay, that's why you just take, okay, let's say 1, 2. Okay, you just take 1 tolak 2. Okay, so you already hapuskan X. Okay, no more X already. Okay, so you do the same thing. Buat benda sama. Okay, let's say you take number 1 and 3. Okay, 1 dan 3. So you take 1 minus 3. Okay, but then 1 you must times 2. Am I right? 1 kena kali 2. Okay, because the coefficient of x in the third equation is 3. Okay, perkali bagi x dalam persamaan ketiga adalah 2. Okay, so that's why kena kali 2 untuk hapuskan x. Okay, so when you eliminate x, guys, your equation now got what variable? Persamaan sekarang kamu ada apa? Bila dah hapuskan x. Very good. Y dan z. So sekarang kamu kena cari satu lagi kaedah untuk hapuskan sama ada y ataupun z. Okay, you try to find a way to eliminate y or z. Okay, so you got two possibility. Okay, to solve. Okay, boleh dapat? So it's just eliminate all the way. Okay, kamu hapuskan sampai dapat satu boleh ubah saja until you get only one variable. Okay, clear guys? Boleh? No problem, right? One or two? Satu atau dua? Okay, so you can see over here what is the method they use. Okay, so for this one, they are eliminating y, guys. Mereka tengah hapuskan y sekarang. Okay, so their method is they times this equation by 2. Okay, persamaan ni mereka darab 2. Okay, because 2y and 2y saya boleh potong. Kaedah ni pun boleh. This method also can. No problem. Okay, so you can see how they solve. Ada apa-apa masalah, guys? Untuk semua langkah ni sangat standard kan? It's very basic only. Tak ada apa-apa nak terangkan kat sini. Okay, so you just need to get your two equation. Okay, so yang ni akan jadi keempat, kelima. Okay, fourth and fifth equation. So guys, over here, kamu nak hapuskan yang mana? Which one do you want to eliminate, guys? X ataupun Z? Yang mana nampak lebih senang? Which one look easier to you? X atau Z? Untuk hapuskan. Anyone? Which one is easier over here? Try to think and see. Yes, sangat pandai. Okay, X, guys. Okay, kenapa X? Sebab yang ni kamu kali 3 sahaja, guys. Okay, you just times the bottom one by 3. Kalau Z, kamu kena darab 2 ke atas, times 2 on the top, times 5 at bottom. Kena buat extra lagi satu step. Okay, itu sebab X lebih cepat. Okay, X is a faster step. Alright, so kamu buat macam biasalah. Okay, just times the second equation by 3. Okay, kali dia dengan 3. Okay, and then after that, you will get something like this. Okay, so kamu dah dapat nilai Z. Okay, you already solved the Z value. Macam mana nak tahu kena darab? Mesti darab. Guys, kaedah penghapusan selalu kena darab supaya kamu boleh potong nilai atas dan bawah. Okay, tengok kat sini. Okay, kamu lihat saat okay, yang ni. This one. So, persamaan ni asalnya macam ni. Okay, X plus Y plus Z equal to 42. Ini diberi dalam soalan. Okay, this is in the question. So guys, persamaan kedua, second equation kamu nampak 2Y. Kat sini Y sahaja. Only Y. So macam mana Y nak jadi 2Y, guys? How does Y become 2Y? You must times 2. Am I right? Can I only times 2 for Y, guys? Adakah saya hanya boleh darab 2 untuk ungkapan Y sahaja? Yes or no? Kamu fikir. Can I times Y by 2 only? Cannot. When you times 2, you have to times 2 to the whole equation. Kamu kena darab 2 pada seluruh persamaan supaya dia adil. It is fair. Okay? You can think of it as daily life also. Okay, example, guys. Let me think and see. Okay, guys. When you score good mark in your exam, bila kamu dapat markah bagus dalam exam. Okay, let's say kamu ada seorang adik-beradik lah. Okay, you have a brother or sister. Okay, so guys, parents kamu, ibu bapa, bila dia bagi hadiah, adakah dia akan bagi hadiah kepada kamu saja? Bila dapat markah bagus, let's say adik kamu pun dapat markah bagus, dia pun bagus. Your brother's mark also good. So does your parent only give the present to you or he give to both of you? Think and see, guys. Mak bapa tu kamu akan bagi kepada dua-dua orang kan? Kamu dan juga adik kamu. Sama macam ni lah, guys. Kamu kena bagi nombor 2 ni kepada semua orang dalam persamaan ni. You must give the number to every single term. Okay, that's why kamu kena darab 2, then you will get something like this. Understand lah guys? Boleh dapat? So that's why kena darab seluruh persamaan dengan 2. So that is equal, adil. Alright? Can? Boleh kan guys? Okay? So continue Okay, so next step. Okay, so bila kamu dah cari satu nilai, let's say sekarang kamu dah dapat yang ni. Okay, Z equal to 729. Okay, macam mana nak cari yang lain? Kamu ganti balik sahaja. Okay, you just substitute. Okay, mungkin kamu akan tanya guys, bukankah yang ni kaedah penggantian? Isn't this a substitution method over here? Adakah dua-dua ni sebenarnya kaedah penggantian? Yes, betul. Okay, kamu betul. Yang ni kaedah penggantian, tapi bukan seluruh soalan ni dia guna penggantian. Okay, setengah dia guna penghapusan, lepas tu ke akhir sahaja guna penggantian. Okay, at the top there all is elimination. At the bottom only it is substitution. Okay, so you still will call it as elimination method. Kamu masih akan panggil dia kaedah penggantian, walaupun ada penggantian kat sini. Okay, boleh faham? Can you understand guys? One or two? Siddhartha, which part you don't understand? Bahagian mana tak faham? Is it this final one? From starting Okay. Wait guys, slowly. Okay. So this one, you have these 3 equation. Am I right? Kamu ada 3 persamaan ni. Okay, so now you have to find X, Y and Z. Kamu kena cari nilai X, Y dan Z. Okay, so macam mana cari X, Y dan Z? Okay, so kamu pilih 2 persamaan sajalah. Okay, so kat sini mereka pilih 1 dan 2. Okay, lepas tu kamu kena tengoklah mereka nak kaedah penghapusan. Okay, so kamu kena darab persamaan 1 dengan 2. Okay, ini contoh sahaja. Okay, bukan yang bukan jawapan ni sahaja. Alright, so darab dengan 2. Okay, lepas tu yang ni boleh potong sama-sama. Alright, lepas tu kamu boleh lihatlah macam mana mereka buat. Okay, so persamaan pertama darab 2. So kamu boleh potong Y dan 2Y. Okay, sebab ada simbol tolak. Okay, kamu kena guna simbol tolak untuk potong 2Y itu. Alright, so kamu akan dapat satu persamaan. Lepas tu kamu pilih 2 lagi persamaan dalam ketiga-tiga ni, bukan yang samalah. Okay, contoh kamu pilih yang ni dan yang ni, 1 dan 3. So kamu buat sekali lagi, hapuskan Y. Okay, so macam mana hapus? Nampak 3Y? Kat sini darab 3 lah. Okay, so boleh hapuskan 3Y. Okay, lepas tu kamu buat penghapusan sekali lagi. Okay, so X, 3X darab 3 supaya boleh hapuskan. Okay, so kamu akan dapat jawapan dia kat bawah ni. Okay, so nampak macam ni lah. So Z sama dengan 279. Okay, boleh faham ke tak? Can you understand now? Siddhartha? Clear, right? Okay, so the answer is Z is 279 and then negative 439, 202. Okay, macam mana nak tahu kena ganti kat mana guys? Biasanya kita akan ganti ke atas. Okay, the original equation. We will substitute in the original equation. Original means bagus. Wow, kamu juga selesaikan. Okay, so kamu gantikan kat sini. Lebih senang. Okay, all substitute over here. Okay, for your value of Z. Okay, so then bila gantikan, you can get your X and Y value also. Boleh dapat nilai X dan Y. Alright, clear guys? Boleh dapat? Okay, so we go next question. Okay, alright. So substitution method now. Okay, kaedah penggantian. Alright. So how to do kaedah penggantian? Okay, very simple. First step is you just choose an equation. Pilih persamaan. It can be anything. Dia boleh jadi mana-mana. Okay, so over here they choose number 1 lah. Mereka pilih persamaan pertama. Okay, dan masukkan dalam persamaan kedua dan ketiga. Okay, so kamu kena pilih lah. You must choose to express X in term of Y and Z. Okay, ungkapkan X dalam sebutan Y dan Z. Okay, mungkin orang tanya, boleh tak saya ungkapkan Y dalam sebutan X dan Z? Can I express Y in term of X and Z? What is the answer guys? Apa jawapan dia? If I say I want Y in term of X and Z, can or not? Boleh ke tak? Y dalam sebutan X dan Z. Yes or no? For this one? Yes. Boleh. Okay, can. Z in term of X and Y also can. Okay, so it really depends on you. Okay, dia bergantung kepada diri awak. Alright. So jangan fix minda ada satu kaedah sahaja. Bukan macam tu. Okay, it's a very open topic. Satu topik yang sangat terbuka. Alright. So kamu gantilah dalam persamaan kedua dan ketiga. Okay, so you will get two equation like this. Kamu dapat dua persamaan. Okay, wait lah guys. Kamu akan dapat dua persamaan macam ni. Alright. And then kamu kena cuba masukkanlah. Okay. Kamu pilih salah satu persamaan ni. Choose one of these. Express Y in term of Z or Z in term of Y. Okay. Pilih salah satu dan masukkan dalam satu lagi. Okay. Let's say yang ni saya pilih untuk ungkapkan. Maksudnya saya kena sabar guys. Okay. So let's say yang ni saya pilih untuk ungkapkan. Betul? This one. Okay, so you have to substitute in number 4. Gantikan kat persamaan keempat. Alright? So then you can find your Z value lah. Boleh cari nilai Z. And then you just substitute in your original 3 equation. Okay, gantikan dalam persamaan 3 asal. Okay, then kamu dapat nilai Y dan juga nilai X. Alright? Are you clear guys? Boleh dapat? Senang kan? Very easy, right? Okay. So, can we go on? Boleh pergi lagi? Okay. I don't want to discuss example lah guys because got question later on. Okay, so these questions all you can try on your own lah. Kamu boleh buat dengan sendiri. Okay, we'll look more on trial question. Kita lihat soalan percubaan. Okay. Alright, so now we go to the one linear equation and one non-linear. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, so first of all, you must know some important formula. Okay, like your quadratic formula. Okay, rumus kuadratik sangat berguna kat sini. Okay, because you will need to use it to solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, untuk menyelesaikan persamaan serentak. Alright, so just remember the formula and then, okay, this is the example of graph method guys. Ini adalah contoh kaedah graph. Okay, so can you see? So what does the point of intersection represent guys? Titik persilangan tu mewakili apa dalam kaedah graph? It represent, yes, your solution, penyelesaian kamu. Okay, nilai X dan Y kamu dalam maksud yang lain. Okay, it represent your X value and also Y value. Alright, so this is the, but actually one thing, sometimes you know guys, this method right is not really accurate. Kaedah ni tak sangat tepat. Kenapa? Setiap orang punya graph kuadratik, dia akan berbeza. Betul? Each people, how they draw the quadratic curve will be different. Okay, maybe some people, they draw a bit wider. Mereka lukis lebih lebar. Some people, they draw a bit narrower. Mereka lukis lebih sempit. So, dia akan pengaruhi nilai ni. It will affect your point of intersection. So, setiap orang akan dapat jawapan berbeza sebenarnya. Okay, a bit lah. Dia akan ada sikit variasi saja. Okay, a bit of variation. Tapi kamu boleh cek guna kaedah manual. Betul kan guys? Kalau ada graf juga, kamu masih boleh kira secara manual ke tepi. Tengok graf kamu logik ke tak? Do you get a logic answer or not? Plus minus lah. Ya, dia akan ada julat. Okay? So, okay guys. One more thing. Your calculator guys. Okay, so you must know that in this chapter, kamu boleh guna calculator tau. Okay, so anyone has this type of calculator? Siapa ada jenis calculator macam ni? Can you comment? I think a lot of you use this also, right? Ada banyak orang guna yang ni. Okay, so you must know how to use it lah. Macam mana nak guna dia untuk beberapa jenis persamaan. You all know, right? The step. Kamu semua tahu kan yang ni. Okay? So you just go to your, because I don't use this calculator. Saya tak biasa guna calculator ni. So orang yang pernah buat akan faham lah. You all will know. Okay, so you just follow the step like how they show over here. Okay, but for me, I will prefer manual method. Saya akan lebih suka kaedah manual. Okay, why manual method guys? Because manual method also you can check. Okay, kaedah manual pun kamu boleh check sebenarnya. Okay, how? You substitute your value in the original equation. Okay, kamu boleh ganti balik persamaan or nilai kamu dalam persamaan asal. Okay, example is here guys. Okay, so you have Z is 279, X is negative 439, and Y is 202. Am I right? Kamu ada tiga nilai ni. So guys, all these three value, I can substitute in my original equation over here. Am I right? Saya boleh ganti setiap satu nilai dalam ni. Okay, so kalau dia sama, if it's equal, maksudnya jawapan kamu betul lah. Kamu kena ganti dalam ketiga-tiga persamaan tau guys. You must substitute in all the three equation to check. Sometimes one equation dia boleh patuhi, tapi second and third dia tak dapat patuhi. So yang ni salah. Ketiga-tiga kena betul. Okay, all the three must be correct. Yes, kena sama kiri dan kanan. Alright, so this is how you can check also. Kamu boleh periksa macam ni. Okay, just to avoid careless mistake, supaya kamu tak buat apa-apa salah dalam pengiraan. Okay, alright. So now we come to the questions guys. Kita lihat soalan. Okay, so basically saya dah cakap semualah tentang bab ni dah. Okay, everything done already on this chapter. Alright, so we come to the trial question, soalan percubaan 2024 as always. Okay, so guys, look at this question. Okay, so for this question, slightly unique. Okay, dia unique sebab ada gambar wajah macam ni. Okay, there is this type of diagram. So how to do this guys? Okay, so over here, there is one equation already. Ada satu persamaan. So berapa lagi persamaan guys saya kena ada untuk soalan ni? How many more equation I must have over here? May I know? 1, 2. Okay, the answer is actually 1 guys. Satu cukup dah. Why? Do you see this guys? This is a non-linear equation. Am I right? Persamaan bukan linear. So guys, dia masuk bawah bahagian kedua. Betul? It comes under the second part. One linear, one non-linear. Correct. Guys, always remember, 2 variable, 2 persamaan dah cukup. Okay? 3 variable, 3 persamaan. Like that. Okay, you follow the number of variable. Ikut bilangan pemboleh ubah. Okay, 2 pemboleh ubah, 2 persamaan. 3 pemboleh ubah, 3 persamaan. Kalau 4 pemboleh ubah, 4 variable, how many equation guys? 4 equation lah, 4 persamaan. Okay, tapi itu tak ada dalam syllabus lah. That one is not your syllabus. Okay, jangan risau. Okay, so now, can anyone tell me what equation can you form from here? Anyone? Apa persamaan kamu boleh bentuk dari sini? Okay, interesting this one. Try to think and see. No. I want the exact equation. Saya nak persamaan tu sendiri. Okay. Wafi, kamu kena peka mereka bagi simbol ni X dan Y. Okay, so kamu memang tak boleh guna P dan Q. 4 variable 4D ya. Boleh. Guys, some cinema got 7D. Am I right? 7D cinema. Have you all heard of it? Means we already have 7 dimension. So 4 dimension pasti ada lah. Okay, definitely have. Okay, technology sangat advanced lah sekarang guys. Okay, 7D also got already. Later waiting for 10D only. 10 dimension. Tak tahulah macam mana. All come alien already. Semua jadi makhluk asing. Okay, so now how to form the equation? Anyone? Okay, so just now I saw one person answer yes. Danish correct. Okay, yes. Okay, the answer is actually like this. Okay, so how to get the answer? Very simple. Okay, follow the question guys. Based on diagram 5.1. So jangan lihat yang ni bila jawab soalan. Don't look at the right hand side. Okay, so guys, what does it mean by this guys? Kalau dua-dua atas arah sama maksudnya apa? When you see both thing at the same level. Yes, sama dengan lah. Macam kamu main jongkang-jongket. Betul? Okay, seesaw. Okay, when you're on the same level mean that same mass. Jisim yang sama. So that's why I can say X plus Y plus 5 equal to 15. This is the simplest method, Rahman. No other simpler method. Okay, so this is your first equation. So guys, this one is linear or non-linear? May I know? Yes, sangat menarik. First time saya nampak juga macam ni in the trial. Yes, this is a linear equation. Persamaan linear. Okay, so yang ni adalah bukan linear, non-linear. So maksudnya, you have to substitute from the linear to non-linear. Always like this. Kamu kena buat macam ni. Okay? So, kaedah penyelesaian dia sangat basic lah. It is very basic. Idea sahaja penting. Okay, the starting idea is the most important. Okay, so this is how you solve the question. Okay, so you will get two set of value. Kamu akan dapat dua set nilai X dan Y. Okay, so make sure you also write two answer. Okay, do you all understand guys? Boleh dapat? Easy right? Okay, sangat senang. Am I right? Okay, so these are your two answers. So total you will have 7 mark. Okay, wait guys. I can see only 6. Oh, okay. 6 mark for the first part. Okay, bahagian ni ada 6 markah sahaja. Alright. So any question guys on the solution? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Anything? Very clear right? Sangat jelas kan? Okay. So make sure you guys can score the 6 mark lah. Okay. Alright. So next question. They got a part B. Okay, this one only 1 mark. Satu markah sahaja. Okay, so they say that 28 kg is added kat Raja 6.2. Okay, so now you refer 6.2. Okay, so you can see 28 kg added. So the question is, find the number of block P and Q added to rebalance the scale. Berapa blok kena tambah supaya boleh imbangkan sekali lagi. So how to do this guys? Logic, very logic. Cikgu Advance buat soalan, wah, kamu merujuk kepada saya ke, Putra? Bila join classmates dan bila, oh, tak masukkan saya, okay. Oh, cikgu kamu, okay, faham. Okay guys, so berapa blok P dan Q kena ada to balance? Okay, so this one, may I know what is the total mass guys? Apa jumlah jisim kat sini? Cepat. What's the total? Typo. Okay, yes. 43. 43. So guys, 43 minus 5. Okay, kamu kena tolak 5. So baki 38. So 38 is share between P and Q. Okay, so now you can use back the equation. Okay, kamu boleh guna balik persamaan sebenarnya. Okay, so how? Based on your answer just now, you already get X equal to 8, Y equals to 2. Betul? Okay, so you can direct use this equation. Boleh guna persamaan ni. Okay, so you got 3 possibility. Okay, boleh jadi 1, 10, 2, 6 atau 3, 2. Okay, so these are the combinations guys. 1, 10, 2, 6 and 3, 2. Alright? Do you all understand? So got many answer. Ada beberapa jawapan kat sini. Berapa blok kena ada untuk P dan Q. Okay? So how to prove? I will come to that question. Saya akan datang guys. Ada soalan yang tu nanti. Alright? Okay? Do you all guys get it? How to get the number of block? So you can put any combination as long as one answer is enough already. Satu jawapan dah cukup. How do you just know to do all this? What do you mean, Karthik? I don't understand your question. How do you just know to do all this? Can you be more specific a bit? Don't really get it. Guys, I also don't know how to do some question, guys. Of course, takkan saya boleh buat semua soalan NMATS di dunia ni. Betul ke, guys? I mean, it's logic, right? Setiap orang pun akan ada soalan tak tahu buat. Even I also don't know how to solve some question. I have to see the answer, try to understand. Okay, faham? Yalah, guys. I am human also. Am I right, guys? Saya pun manusia. Am I right? Are you learning from an alien? No, right? You're not learning from alien, right? And maths. You're learning from human also, right? Oh, robot. Okay, no. I'm not robot. If robot means I no need to explain so much to you already. Oh, means I'm ChatGPT. Maybe sir is alien. Oh, guys, as long as you don't put sticker alien on my face, I don't want. Don't make anyone make sticker with me. Alien with on the face like that. Very weird. Okay, so now come back to the next question. Okay, so just now people asked, right, on the infinite solution, penyelesaian tak terhingga. Okay, so this question is for you. Question B. Okay, guys. So we see question A first. All right. So they ask you to solve this equation. Okay, very basic lah. Sangat senang. Okay, I don't want to ask you. I want to ask you all to do also. Okay, very simple. Okay, so first step, you just substitute the linear inside non-linear. Okay, ganti linear dalam bukan linear. Okay, so over here you got two choice. Kamu ungkapkan X dalam sebutan Y. First choice. Second choice, Y dalam sebutan X. Okay, you express Y in term of X. Okay, so you will get X minus 1 over 2. Okay, so these are your two equation. So just substitute lah. If it's this one, you substitute in Y. If it's this one, you substitute in the X. Boleh faham guys? Sangat senang kan? Very simple, right? Okay, so you now think and see guys. Kamu fikir sekarang, mana lebih senang kat sini? X dalam sebutan Y atau Y dalam sebutan X? Which one is an easier step guys? X in term of Y or Y in term of X? Very smart. Okay, X dalam sebutan Y. Why do you say that? Kenapa kamu kata macam tu? What's the reason? Very good, guys. Remember, right? When you substitute, try to substitute an equation that has no fraction. Tak ada pecahan. Maksudnya straight line only. Okay? You see fraction over here? It's quite hard. Lebih susah. Bukan maksudnya tak boleh dibuat. You can do it. Okay, but higher chance of careless. Okay, kesilapan cuai lebih tinggi. Okay, so why you want to take the risk? Am I right? Kenapa nak risikokan 5 markah kamu? Okay, might as well you choose this one and get the 5 mark straight away. Okay, boleh guys? So this is the concept. Okay, so over here got why take the risk? Oh, risk R-I-Z-Z. Okay, nampak sama macam risk. R-I-S-K. Okay, so this one, you must use quadratic equation. Okay, persamaan kuadratik. Okay, so you must use this formula. Okay, so tekan calculator only lah. Okay, just press calculator, get the answer. Okay, the question here said 3dp, guys. So you must take note, 3 tempat perpuluhan. So make sure you give your answer to 3dp. If you give less or extra, habis. Okay, you won't get these two final mark. If you don't give 3dp. Okay, 3 tempat perpuluhan. Alright. Okay, so now we come to question B, guys. Question B interesting. Okay, so now infinite solution. Penyelesaian tidak terhingga. Okay, so may I know infinite solution mean what, guys? Yang ni maksudnya apa? 0 equal to 0. Am I right? Ini konsep dia sekarang. What's the difference between 3dp and 4 angka berarti? Depends. Bergantung. Okay, let's say you have 0.373. Okay, this one is 3dp and 3 angka berarti, 3 SF. But let's say I got something like this, 1.4543. 3dp, masih 3dp, tapi 4 angka berarti. Okay, 4 significant figure. Can you understand, Alia? So you must check the number in front. Tengok digit kat depan. Kalau kosong digit dia, kamu baca yang selepas titik perpuluhan. DP is decimal place. AB is angka bererti. Okay? In English is SF lah. I must mix all the language here. Guys, anyone want Chinese or Tamil or not? I can write also. Now I'm mixing 2 language already. Saya tengah French also habis lah saya, guys. Guys, Google Meet got caption, you know. Kamu semua tahu tak? Google Meet got caption. 我不知道 1 2 3 hey, oh really? Okay, so guys, Google Meet got caption actually. So if you want Tamil or Chinese, you just refer Google Meet caption. Then whatever I talk, it will translate that. You just click the caption button. But I don't know whether Chinese or Tamil got lah. French got. I know French got in the caption. I think Chinese Tamil don't have. Okay, because Google Meet is USA. USA won't put Chinese or Tamil language there. They will only put the European language there. French, Spanish, German, Tamil, Chinese all won't get one. Yes, caption not accurate, guys. Be careful. Jangan buka caption. Nanti saya kata sesuatu perkara, dia bawa keluar satu perkara lain. Careful lah, guys. Caption also you must be smart when you play. God, JD God. What is JD God? I don't understand. Oh, Jadi. Okay. Okay, guys. So come back to this question. Later, sir say no, the CC say yes. That's why I scared of the caption. Okay, so guys, They say infinite solution. Tak terhingga. So guys, what is the equation you can form over here? Apa persamaan boleh bentuk kat sini? So now you must think. I also don't know whether he's here. Maybe today he never come. So guys, come on. What is the equation you can think of based on this question? They say infinite solution. First one remove, then divide by 2. Okay. Over here, right? The first equation, persamaan pertama kamu boleh darab 2. Do you all know that, guys? Okay, because now they are focusing on the A value, guys. Nilai A. So tengok, guys. Pemboleh ubah mana ada nilai A? Which variable got value A? Anyone? X, Y atau Z? Yes, Z sahaja ada nilai A. So means that we no need to focus on the X or Y. Kita tak perlu lihat X dan Y. Sebab tak ada perkali A. There is no coefficient A. So that's why you just focus on the Z only. So guys, if you focus on the Z, you must now try to combine the equation. Am I right? So when you see fraction, right, something like this, you try to times 2, guys. Darab 2 seluruh persamaan yang ni. Okay, so why I times 2, guys? Because if I times 2, 4x cancel 3 over 2y times 2, you get 3. 3 and 3y cancel. So this one 5z, 5z sahaja. Okay, this one become 1. Am I right? Okay, so now after you do this, you can make this equation. Okay, so you will have 5 plus a square minus 14 equal to 0. Can you see, guys? I am comparing the coefficient of z. Saya tengah bandingkan perkali z. Can you all see it? Okay, this whole thing over here. 5 plus a square minus 14 equals 0. Okay, why equals 0? Because I have to have this answer. Saya kena ada jawapan ni, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to find what is the A value that can make this whole thing become 0. Saya nak cari nilai A yang boleh bagi bahagian kiri ni menjadi kosong. My left hand side becomes 0. Do you all understand, guys? Boleh faham? Very clear, right? So that's why I make this assumption. Wait, what about the answer? The answer got only one. Only one answer, guys. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so A is equal to 3. A sama dengan 3 sahaja. Alright, so you cannot put negative over here. Okay, only one A value. Satu nilai A sahaja. Okay, if you put negative, which part? Okay, sada guys. Let me show you. Let's say if you say A is negative, katakan A sama dengan negative 3. Okay, what will happen is, actually, it is the same. Okay, why? Because A square, right? 3 or negative 3, kamu ada jawapan sama kan, guys? You have the same answer because it's square. Am I right? Both also you will get 9. Kedua-dua pun dapat 9. Betul? So, I think over here they only want one answer. Mereka nak satu jawapan sahaja. Okay, because you see the sentence, they say the value of A. Okay, nilai A. Maksudnya dia cakap tentang satu sahaja. Betul? If they say values of A, nilai-nilai A, then kamu tulis dua-dua ni. Faham tak, guys? Do you all understand now? Okay, so you always try to write the positive answer. Usually they will choose the positive answer. Okay, mereka akan guna jawapan positif sahaja. Yes, plural singular. Can we use the ratio method? What do you mean by ratio? Means you take the ratio of coefficient of z, is it? Oh, then what is your step? Means you take 5 divide a square minus 14. Am I right? Something like that. Then you equal it to what at the end? Is it you equal to 1? And then equate to ratio of negative half. Where you get negative 1 over 2? Which part? Negative 1 over 2. Is it this one, is it? Oh, coefficient of x. Oh, okay. Let me think, guys. Do you get the same answer? Do you get a equal to 3? Oh, okay, can. I think it's logic lah. Saya rasa dia logic lah. Okay. Means that you're saying that they'll have same value on the right hand side and left hand side. Am I right? Okay, the value will be the same. Okay, can. No problem. If we give you the same answer, then can. Okay, but then the normal method, kaidah biasa, people do like this lah. Okay, what is shown in the answer scheme. Okay, so your method also can, as long as get the same answer. All right. So I think you guys can follow this, or also Divyasri's method also can. All right. Okay, guys. Boleh faham? Clear? So this one you have total 8 marks. Okay, 8 markah. Okay. So we go next one. Okay, guys. This question is very, very interesting, guys. I know this one is from Kelantan. Am I right, guys? Ini adalah trial Kelantan. Very, very unique question because they ask you to draw it here over here. Kamu kena lukis paksi dia. And what is the special thing? You have 3 axes over here, guys. Kamu ada 3 paksi. 3 dimension. Okay, so how to draw, guys? Okay, so guys, first step you must understand something. First step. Okay, over here they label like this. Dalam skema mereka label macam ni. Okay? So guys, I ask you one question. Saya tanya satu soalan. Adakah ini sahaja cara saya boleh label yang ni? Is this the only way I can label the axis? Yes or no? Yeah. It is not tetap. Okay, dia bukan tetap, guys. Means that yang ni skema kata. This is the answer scheme. I can also label like this. Yang ni pun boleh. I can label like this. However you label, as long as you plot the point correctly, your answer is correct. Asalkan kamu plot titik tu betul. Okay, but for me, this one makes more sense. Am I right, guys? Yang ni adalah paksi X sebab dia mendata. Okay, horizontal. And then Y-axis is always vertical. Okay, paksi Y kena selalu menegak. Okay, for those that don't know, Z-axis is okay. But Z-axis basically is showing you in and out. Dalam kertas atau luar kertas. Inside the page or outside the page. So guys, how to get this knowledge? Anyone here take physics? Come on. I'm going to show how physics related to AdMaths now. Siapa ambil physics? Okay guys, keluarkan kamu punya Fleming left hand rule. Okay, I just simply teaching this. It will help you understand this. Dia akan faham. So guys, Fleming left hand rule tell you that you got 3 dimension. Am I right? Okay, 3 dimensi. Let me show. How should I show this? Okay, this one is good already. So guys, can you see 3 dimension? Yang ni 90 darjah, 1 dimension. Yang ni 90 darjah, 1 dimension, 2 dah. Okay, and then antara yang ni, between your thumb and middle finger. This one is electromagnetism, guys. Physics. So guys, if you place your hand right, you can actually see the axis. Boleh nampak axis dia tak, guys? Tengok yang ni ya. How to show? Saya pun susah nak bagi tahu. Because my thumb cannot show you. Okay, never mind lah, you know lah. So guys, can you see that my middle hand, sorry, index finger, the first finger, this one is a y-axis. Am I right, guys? Yang ni adalah paksi y. Yang ni apa, guys? Paksi x. Am I right? This is x-axis, 90 degree, 90 darjah. Thumb, my thumb kat belakang, guys. Kamu tak boleh nampak screen. Okay, thumb saya point macam ni. Dia keluar. Macam ni. So this is your what axis, guys? This is z-axis. Am I right? Dia macam ni. Okay, is z-axis. In and out. Sekarang kamu boleh nampak macam ni. So guys, lihat. Can you all see it? This is your z-axis. In and out. Atas, dalam dan keluar. Okay guys, can understand? So you can use, anyone take physics lah. Who take physics only will understand. Okay, your Fleming left hand rule. Okay, that's why you got 3 axes over here. 3 paksi. 1 or 2 guys? 1 atau 2? Or do I make you more confused? Hopefully not confused lah. Okay, boleh faham. Oh, not, oh yeah, you form 4, sorry. Guys, this one only for form 5. Okay, tingkatan 5 sahaja, I can explain. Okay, if you are form 4, you just learn the concept based on AdMaths. Okay, all right. So now guys, you must solve this equation. Okay, so guys, may I know what method will you use? Kaedah apa kamu semua nak guna? What do you all think? If you see this one, which one is easiest? Mana paling senang over here? Think and see. Anyone? Okay. Penghapusan boleh. Elimination also can. Yes. Okay, can. Eliminate X. Yes, can. Boleh. Boleh. Okay, or another method, you can also use substitution. Penggantian. Okay, why substitution, guys? Because I see a single Y here. Saya nampak sebutan Y tunggal. Am I right? So, saya boleh ungkapkan yang ni, express Y in term of X and Z. Okay, ungkapkan Y dalam sebutan X dan Z. Betul? Okay, so now I can substitute yang ni dalam Y dan juga dalam Y. Can you all see that, guys? Boleh nampak yang tu? So saya dah ada dua persamaan dalam sebutan X dan Z sahaja. Okay, I only have two equation in X and Z. Then you can choose to eliminate or substitute. Yes, got many method, guys. Ada banyak kombinasi jawapan yang boleh ada. I think more than 10. Lebih dari 10. There is 10 different type of answer. Okay, so as long as you get the correct X and Y value. Okay, okay, so now I want to emphasize more on how to plot the point. Macam mana nak plot titik saya. Okay, so if you solve correctly, you should get this answer. Oh, so big. Am I? Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan yang ni. Alright, so how to plot the point, guys? Okay, cuba nampak yang ni. Wait, did I skip the page? Wait, guys. I think I got skip some page. Okay, this one. So guys, lihat jawapan dia. How to plot. Okay, so guys, can you see? So same concept. X-axis kamu label dengan nilai X. Okay, over here is a bit confusing. Why? Because, okay, how to know where to put negative and positive, guys? May I know? Macam mana nak tahu kat mana nak letak nilai negatif dan positif atas paksi ni? Dia tak ada plane. Tak ada. Guys, you don't have plane over here. It's just a point. See arrowhead. Yes. Very smart. Very, very smart. Guys, you must always follow the arrow. Tengok anak panah tu kat mana. So the one that are closest to the arrow must be positive number. Kena nilai positif. Yang dekat dengan anak panah. Yang jauh dari anak panah adalah negatif. Logic kan, guys? When something is far from you, it is negative. Something that is near to you is positive. Yes. I don't know who is the person who think of this question. Saya tengah fikir siapa pemeriksa yang set soalan ni. Because other state tak ada macam ni. Negeri lain tak keluar macam ni. So, interesting. I don't know. Maybe the person like physics. Mungkin orang tu suka Fleming. Yang saya kata. So he think of Fleming. He think of 3 axis tadi. 3 paksi. Usually, right, guys? No, admits people usually will take physics. Am I right? Biasanya orang yang ambil matematik tambahan akan ambil physics. Yes, I know. Got some also account and maths. But majority is physics and maths. Am I right? Fleming suka dia ke? Yalah, mungkin dia suka Fleming. True. Okay, guys. So you just plot as normal. Okay, so this one, number 1 is your X value. Am I right? Okay, I think X equal to 1. Let me check. Yes. Okay, so guys, when you write the coordinate, right? Usually you write as X and Y. Okay, coordinate kamu biasanya macam ni kan? But sekarang coordinate kamu adalah X, Y, Z. Okay, your coordinate must add by 1. Okay, so now your coordinate is 1, 4, negative 2. Okay, because you got 3 variable. 3 pun boleh ubah. Okay, so you just label the same way. Okay, so you can see X is 1. You draw a line. Okay, and then Y equal to 4. Y sama dengan 4. So you draw another line here. And then Z equal to negative 2. Okay, so finally, they will all meet up at this point lah. Mereka akan semua sambung kat titik 2. Alright, so that's why this one is your answer. Boleh faham, guys? Can you understand? Yes or no? So the labeling of the axis is up to you. Cara kamu label paksi bergantung pada kamu. Asalkan kamu faham, yang dekat dengan anak panah kena positif, jauh dari anak panah kena negatif. That's all. Okay, close to arrow positive, away from arrow negative. Okay, all right. So we go next question. Tengok soalan lain. Okay, so for this question, which one? You want to repeat the graph part, is it? Is it the graph? Or how to find x and y? Only the graph, right? Okay, so for the graph, you just label the axis randomly, like what they show over here. Okay, so usually vertical axis is y-axis, am I right? But this question they put z lah, is okay. Okay, you can label however you like. Okay, so usually vertical you will label 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Normally. And then horizontal, negative will be left hand side, positive will be right hand side. Okay, and then the special one is this one. Okay, the x-axis, proxy x. Okay, so let me think and see. Okay, so you must label the back one yang kat belakang as negative. The front one is positive. Okay, do you understand now? So this is how you label. Are you form 4 or form 5? Emmanuel? Form 5. If you're form 5, right, you can think of physics concept. You will understand. Okay, guys. If you all want to know how it happens, okay, guys, I think a lot of you take physics here, right? Okay, so guys, whenever you see this is like your wire. Am I right? Ini adalah wire kamu dalam electromagnet. So guys, wire, you will have this symbol. Am I right? What is this symbol, guys? May I know? Symbol ni merujuk apa? Suddenly I trap you guys already. Adakah kamu buat VVC physics? Are you all revising physics or not? This one represent what? Coming in or coming out? Are you sure coming in? In, guys? Are you sure? Yes. Guys, this is coming out, guys. Ini adalah keluar. Just like your axis over here. Can you see, guys? The arrow is coming out. Okay? Tengok simbol dia. So guys, you must think like a pen. Look at the pen, guys. Tengok pen dia. Tajam kan? Kat depan. It's a sharp. This is a dot. Ini adalah titik. That's why coming out. Coming to your eye. Pergi kepada mata kamu. Macam laser. This is the symbol lah. So tengok paksi dia. Exactly the same concept. Start a physics intensive class. Cannot. Maybe I can teach lah, but not to the standard of how I teach maths and admaths. Saya boleh ajar, tapi quality dia macam admaths tak lah. Okay? I can just biasa-biasa only. Alright? No problem, you teach good one. You start lah. I cannot, Adi. I need an assistant. Okay? So we go next question, guys. If that means I need assistant, Adi. Only these two. But physics, chemistry, I also layan lah. Because I still study physics and chemistry up till now. So that's why I can still remember all the concept. Okay? So maths and maths definitely my core. 19 only. Surprise or not? Okay, so now guys. Okay, so now look at this question. Nampak soalan ni, come on. Okay, so they ask you to find A, B, and C. Cari nilai A, B, dan C. Oh, guys, I thought physics you guys come not well already. Ayo, I scared lah. Guys, saya bincang physics, kamu semua dah demam ke? Wow. Means next time I should not talk about physics in admaths. Okay, I now know the point already. Based on Wellman. Okay, I know why suddenly he not feel well. Sorry guys, if I make any one of you not well. But it's good also, right? You guys revise your physics. Am I right? Kamu juga belajar physics. Okay guys, so refer over here. So scenario 1, yang pertama. Okay, may I know what is the equation? Apa persamaan dia? Come on guys, focus back. Come on. Now we come back to admaths already. Just now physics, now admaths. Later will be chemistry. Don't worry. Got one question, maybe got chemistry also over here. Okay, so anyone, equation please. Scenario pertama. Can you all tell me what equation can you find? Very simple. Siapa boleh type? So this is the most important part, guys. Forming the equation is the most important part. Kamu kena tahu cara bentuk persamaan. Very good. Okay, so for scenario 1, this will be your equation. Okay, A plus B plus 3C equal to 3. Boleh? Yes, correct. Okay, so because A, B, 3 times C, 3 kali C, okay, means that 3C. And then dapat alam 3. Okay, so that's why equal to 3. Okay, second scenario guys. May I know what is the equation? Yang kedua. Okay, very simple, right? Sangat mudah kan? A plus 3B plus C equal to 11. Okay, last one. Yang ketiga. What is the equation? Actually, I never talk with you guys a lot of physics. Am I right? Saya tak bincang banyak pasal fizik dengan kamu semua. That I'm quite surprised on that. 2A plus 5B minus 2C equals 16. Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, yes. Okay, so this one they say subtract. Okay, tolak 2 kali sumbangan C. So that's why got minus. Minus 2C. Okay, equal to 16. You guys like physics, guys? Kamu semua suka fizik ke tak? Just a random question lah. I want to ask you guys. Do you like it? Not sure. Who here get A plus for trial physics? Siapa dapat A plus untuk physics trial? Anyone? Form 5 saja. I asking the Form 5. Siapa dapat A plus? Got A plus or not? Anyone? Trial. Lain orang? C masih boleh improve lah. A, solid A. Anyone? Physics untuk trial? Tak ada solid A also Solid A pasti kena ada orang kat sini. B sahaja yang tertinggi ya. Wow. Okay lah, A minus tertinggi. Okay, can lah. A minus. Okay. Can improve one, no problem. Okay. Alright guys. So we come back here. Physics is so rigid. No lah guys. Chemistry more rigid. Kimia punya skema sangat ketat. Am I right? Satu perkataan tak nampak, habis. Yes. I think Divya is Archimedes' daughter. Guys, stop this. Okay, so now this equation. Next you will say I am who? Einstein daughter. Einstein son. You will say I'm Einstein son then. Okay, so now how to solve, guys? ABC. Come on. What method you will use? Kaedah apa? Okay, later kita bincang guys. Fizik, kimia, bio semua tu. Sekarang fokus at maths. Sub A. Okay, can? No problem. Can? Okay, so you can express. Okay, so over here, right? If you are smart, you can see one thing, guys. Can you all see this? Boleh nampak A? Sama. A dan A. Penghapusan. Elimination directly. Okay, kamu dah ada satu persamaan dalam B dan C. Why scenario 1 plus 3C? Scenario 1 plus 3C because 3 times C. Can you see? They say 3 times. So that's why 3C. Okay? So first step, you eliminate A. Okay, second step, you must times one equation by 2. Okay, kali satu persamaan dengan 2. Okay? So, oh, wait guys. Yes. Sorry, guys. I write wrongly. Correct. Very good. Means you all know lah. I know you guys focusing in the lesson. Am I right? Kamu semua tengah ambil perhatian. Guys, kamu tahu setengah orang kan, dia ikut saja cakap guru. Guru bagi tahu apa yang salah pun dia terima tahu. Macam mana lah yang ni? Kamu pun kena guna akal bila belajar. You must use your brain, guys. If you think something is wrong, you must tell. You are wrong. Kamu salah walaupun cikgu kamu kat sekolah. Although your teacher may be wrong also sometimes, you must tell. Don't just keep quiet and accept. Jangan terima. Okay, kamu kena selalu curiga. Be curious. You must ask question. Kena tanya. Like what you all do lah. Kamu kena buat macam ni. Alright? Very good. Okay, so now over here you must times 2. Okay, darab 2. So you can eliminate lah. Kamu boleh hapuskan. Alright? So 2A and 2A you just cut. Okay, lepas tu kamu dah ada persamaan kedua. Second equation in term of B and C. Then you just use any method you like. Elimination or substitution. Okay, then you solve and get the answer. Okay, so final answer you should get this one. Jawapan akhir. Bolehkah guna penghapusan? Yes, boleh. Can. No problem. Usually for penghapusan, dia akan datang sekali dengan penggantian. Kamu semua perasan tak guys? Usually the elimination method will combine with substitution method when you solve. Have you all seen it guys? Because at the top you eliminate, but when you get the answer, you must substitute. Am I right? Kamu kena gantikan balik kat persamaan atas untuk dapat jawapan. But if you use substitution, kalau kamu guna kaedah penggantian, tak ada penghapusan. Faham tak? Okay, when you use substitution method, you will not see elimination at all. Okay, you won't see elimination because substitution is the major method. Okay, kaedah penggantian tu adalah kaedah yang major. Minor tu adalah penghapusan. Okay, penggantian major. Okay, penghapusan minor. Alright, so understand? Boleh? So these are the answers. So total you will always get around 6 marks. 6 markah. Penggantian aura. 8 marks. Okay, ada 8 markah guys. Okay, 8 marks. This one. Alright. So, yeah. Okay, so can go on guys. Boleh sambung? Masih boleh ya? Okay, so guys, another type of equation. Satu lagi persamaan yang banyak bukanlah 6 muka surat saja. 6 soalan lagi saja. Sangat cepat. Very fast. Sebab semua ni pendek saja. So guys, this is another type of equation you all will see. Satu lagi jenis persamaan. Oh, maka banyak. Yes. Okay, so you must know how to solve this, guys. Kamu kena tahu. What is the meaning of this? Apa maksud yang ni? Okay, guys, may I know what is the first equation that you get? Apa persamaan pertama? Yes. Very good. You must separate it, guys. Okay, so how to separate? First one is this one. 2x minus y equal to 1. Correct. Okay, and then the second one, 2x squared plus y minus 3 equal to 1. So guys, you must always remember, you must have one linear and one non-linear. Satu persamaan linear, satu persamaan bukan linear. Okay guys, can I ask you? Can I say like this? Boleh tak saya kata yang ni? 2x minus y equal to 2x squared plus y squared minus 3. Can or not? Yang ni boleh ke tak? Persamaan ni. Yang ni. Anyone? Yes or no? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Can I do this? Anyone? Yes. Actually, it's confusing. Okay, dia adalah sangat susah. Okay, why? Because you see x square, y square, x, y. Kamu dah ada 4 sebutan. You already have 4 terms. So it's very hard. Okay, so that's why we don't choose that one. Kita tak mau yang tu. Okay, so always remember one linear, one non-linear. Very easy. Okay, and then 3dp. Okay, make sure you give to 3 decimal place. 3/4 perpuluhan. Okay, so again, it's the same step. Okay, just be careful with your algebra. This one is 100% algebra, guys. No other concept. 100% algebra. Okay, and then make sure use your quadratic formula correctly. Okay, guna rumus quadratic. Alright, any problem guys? 5 marks, 5 markah, senang kan? Very simple, right? Okay, so you can score 5 mark lah. It's very standard. Okay guys, equation please. Bila datang soal macam ni, saya akan tanya persamaan saja. If you know your 3 equation, confirm you will get 90% correct answer di. Okay, so may I know, first equation is what? Yang pertama. So it's time for you to get your equations. So lazy, must read guys. It's very long, I know. Dia sangat panjang, tapi kena baca. You must be hardworking to read. So anyone? Think and see. What is your first equation? M plus J equal to 208. Wait, let me see. Nope, that's not the answer. See carefully. First, you must tell me, what does your M and J represent? What about Jaya? You must tell me specifically. Is it price? Is it quantity? Is it what? Okay, you must be specific guys. Bila kamu buat anggapan pemboleh ubah kamu kena specific. Jangan kata J sama dengan Jaya. Apa tentang Jaya tu? GSIM Jaya? Harga Jaya, Nombor Jaya, dia boleh jadi apa-apa. Betul. Okay, so kamu kena spesifik. Apa tentang Jaya dan apa tentang Makmur. Okay, you must be specific in your assumption. Alright, that is the main important thing. So anyone, first equation, what will you get? Come on, think and see carefully. Okay, so over here they actually give you a hint already. Can you see, guys? They say number, bilangan. So guys, means that your M and J refer to your number. Betul? Nilai M dan J itu mewakili bilangan, number. So anyone? First equation? Come on. Tak susah. It's not that hard. Anyone? Hello? Sangat senyap. Masih hidup ke, guys? Are you all still alive? Can someone respond? What is your first equation? Wait panjang ni untuk satu persamaan. Guys, your what is it? Your speaking test. Ujian bertutur BM kena baca petikan macam ni kata Meksa. Betul? In your BM speaking test you got so must be fast, guys. Kena pantas. Kamu ada had masa. Am I right? So this you must train yourself over here, guys. Kamu kena latihkan diri kat sini untuk matematik. Uji kamu boleh buat BM bertutur tak kat saya. Extract the info. Itu satu kemahiran juga. Okay? You must know how to extract the info quickly. So anyone? First equation. Cepat. Guys, you know why I pressure you like this? Kenapa saya tekan macam ni? Because at maths you guys must be fast. Am I right? Kamu kena selesaikan soalan matematik tambahan dengan cepat. That's why I keep on pressure you all. Cepat dapat jawapan macam tu. Okay? So that it train you all to think fast. No, that's not the answer. Careful, guys. Doesn't mean every single number you must use here. You must understand, guys. Tak semestinya setiap nombor dalam petikan ni kamu kena guna. Itu adalah hint saya. Itu adalah tips dari saya untuk soalan ni. You don't need to use all the number. Only some number only. Your assumption is correct, Adi Kai. But your equation is wrong. Anyone else? Come on. All my AdMaths A+ students here. Okay? Anak-anak A+ untuk matematik tambahan. Cepat. Kalau nak dapat A+, yang ni mesti betul lah. So anyone? Hello? Equation please. You can tell me either one. Ada dua persamaan kat sini. So kamu bagi tahu satu saja cukup. Tak perlu dua-dua. Just give one. Hasil darab tu equation kuadratik kan? Bukan kuadratik. Guys, they say bilangan mangkuk ceramic. The number of ceramic bowl. So now you got two type, right? Kamu ada dua jenis ceramic. Okay, so kamu boleh bagi anggapan lah X dan Y. Am I right? Okay, kamu boleh bagi anggapan X dan Y. Alright? So kamu boleh bagi tahu XY equal to 1280. Habis, guys. One equation. Boleh faham ke tak? Okay, they say product hasil darab. So XY equal to 1280. XY tu number kan? It represent the number. 1280 also represent the number. They say units. Unit tu maksudnya bilangan. The number. Okay, that's why XY equal to 1280. 4J tambah 2M equal, yang sebelah kanan tu sahaja salah, Putra. Yang lain sebelah kiri betul. So check yang bahagian kanan sahaja. I rasa kamu silap interpret code soalan. So anyone else? Can you tell me the first equation? Satu lagi persamaan. Linear. 20J plus M equal 55. Bukan? No. Come on, guys. More people. Cuba. Apa persamaan pertama? Yes. Okay, Putra dah betul. Okay, guys. The answer is actually 4x. Wait, I write here. 4x plus 2y equals to 208. Do you all know, guys, how to get this? Macam mana dapat yang ni? Okay, so you refer over here. 4 hours to produce a ceramic bowl. Okay, and then 2 hours to produce a ceramic bowl. Okay, guys, you must understand here, this ceramic bowl and this ceramic bowl is two different bowl. Dua-dua mangkok ceramic ni berbeza tau. That's why kita bagi satu X, satu Y. Boleh faham tak, guys? Okay, logic lah, guys. Satu mangkok RM20, satu lagi mangkok RM25. So, guys, kalau harga dia berbeza, adakah mangkok dia sama? Cuba fikir logik. Two ceramic bowl, different price. So, do you think they are the same ceramic bowl? Yes or no? Tak kan? Kalau harga berbeza, pasti sesuatu akan berbeza tentang ceramic tu. Am I right? Mungkin quality dia berbeza, material dia berbeza. So that's why kita bagi dua simbol, X and Y. Yang harga tu sama dengan dia. Yes. Okay. Alright, so first equation, kamu akan dapat 208 lah. Okay, because kat sini kita tengah bandingkan jam. Okay, we are comparing the hours. Okay, 208 jam. Okay, so 4 dan 2 adalah jam. Betul? Okay, so 4 times X because they say 1. Okay, 1 bowl, 4 hours. So kalau kamu ada X mangkok, 4X lah. Macam tu. Alright? So kamu boleh selesaikan dah. Okay, you can solve already. Okay, so just use substitution method, kaedah penggantian. Okay, then you get the answer. Are you clear? So you got two side of answer. Okay, dua jenis jawapan. Okay, so go on guys. Pergi ya. Lagi. Okay, so at the end, right, you must, let me see. Sadar guys. Kat akhir, kamu kena buat sesuatu. Okay, they ask you find the number of ceramic bowl that produce maximum profit. Okay, so mereka nak yang maximum. Okay, so kat sini kamu kena bagi tahu. Okay, which one will give you the maximum profit? Kamu kena kira lah guys. Okay, so how to count maximum profit? Kamu boleh guna RM. You can use the amount given here guys. RM20, RM25. Betul? So kamu kira lah. Guna set nilai X, Y kamu. Okay, so X equal 32, Y equal 40. Okay, so kamu boleh cari total cost of production. Okay, jumlah cost untuk hasilkan dia. So kamu bandingkan dua cost ni. Tengok mana yang lebih besar. Okay, so sepatutnya yang ni akan bagi nilai lebih besar lah. Okay, this one will give you a larger value. Okay, so that's why your answer is X is 20, Y is 64. Boleh faham? Understand right guys? So make sure jangan lupa yang akhir ni. Just don't stop over here. Jangan henti kat sini. Okay, because you must compare the cost. Alright? Are you clear guys? Because they say maximum profit. Satu atau dua? One or two? Come on guys. Do you get it? Can Okay, so continue. Okay guys, I want to discuss this question. Okay, this question is a fact question. Soalan fakta sebenarnya. 1 mark only. Okay, so anyone, can you tell me the answer for this? No working? Tak ada apa-apa jalan kira? It's just a fact question. Okay, so the question is state the location of the plane. Okay, nyatakan kedudukan ketiga-tiga SATA. Okay, when it has infinite solution. Penyelesaian tak terhingga. So think and see guys. When you have infinite solution, where does all the plane locate? How are they located? The three plane. If anyone can answer this correct, I'll be quite impressed lah. Kalau ada orang yang boleh jawab ni betul, kamu memang tahu fakta dia lah. So anyone? What is the location? Apa kedudukan dia? Plane is like a triangle. Okay? Guys, solution of triangle you all learn. Am I right? Bab penyelesaian segitiga. Have you heard of the word inclined plane? SATA condong? Inclined plane? That is the concept lah. Okay? It is actually a triangle. Segitiga. Okay, you can place it in different way. Example, this is one way. Okay, and then you try to make it 3D. Something like that. Okay? SATA bersilang pada satu garis lurus. Sana, saya cek. Wow. Okay? Yes, correct. Putra correct. Very good. Okay, guys, the answer is actually all the three planes will be in a straight line. Okay? Ketiga-tiga SATA akan berada pada satu garis lurus. Okay? Half of this question I've never seen before. Yes. You know why ya guys? Sebab saya pilih semua soalan susah saja masuk sini. Saya tak pilih soalan biasa-biasa masuk sini. I never choose the simple question for you all. I always choose the weird question. soalan yang nampak pelik saja untuk dibincangkan. Kalau soalan senang guys, mengapa perlu bincang? Betul kan? If it's easy question, what is the point we discuss? We must discuss the weird question. Okay, soalan yang pelik, yang berbeza. Yes, I sengaja kumpul macam ni guys. I simply pick the trial question that I think you all don't know how to do. Dan kumpulkan semua macam satu. Tak maksudnya SPM akan datang macam ni. Okay? Yes, certain lah, bukan semua negeri. Some negeri only. Jadi bila saya combine macam ni, kamu nampak macam, Form 4 bab 3 ni sangat susah, kamu rasa macam ni kan? You all think, how come Form 4 chapter 3 is so hard? Because I compile all the hard question. Doesn't mean SPM dia akan masuk semua ni. Okay, but bila kita buat yang susah, yang senang, tak ada masalah lah. Betul? When you do the hard question, easy question, nothing ready for you in SPM. You can just do like that. Okay, close your eye also can do. Tutup mata pun boleh selesaikan. So that is my aim guys of this intensive class. Buat semua soalan susah. Okay? Yes, can. Okay, so what is the answer? It's just they lie on the same straight line. Okay, satu garis lurus. Okay, so why? Why is it the same straight line? Because 0 equals 0 guys. Guys, apa maksud kosong sama dengan kosong? It means that they all lie on the same straight line. Am I right? Dia berada pada garis sama. Okay, because their value is equal to each other. Okay, nilai dia sama setiap persamaan ni. Okay, so that's why they will all lie on the same line. Can you understand? Boleh faham? Okay, so just remember the concept of 0 equals 0. Okay? Alright. So now guys, this question, interesting also. They say infinite solution again. Penyelesaian tak terhingga guys. So how to solve? Macam mana selesaikan guys? Anyone? How do we do this one? May I know? Okay, so again, actually you just solve as a normal simultaneous equation. Okay, selesaikan macam biasa saja. Okay, so you just do your elimination method. Okay, buat kaedah penghapusan or penggantian. Okay, sampai kamu tak boleh selesaikan. Until you see that you cannot find the X, Y, and Z. Kamu tak boleh cari nilai dia. Okay, so when you solve it, bila selesaikan, kamu akan sampai kat sini. You will reach this equation, guys. Wait, let me. Okay, so you will reach this equation. Kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. Okay, so how to get this is by solving it simultaneously. Okay, you just solve as normally. Selesaikan macam biasa. Okay, so maybe kamu lihat Z. So guys, Z I can try to eliminate. Am I right? Saya boleh hapuskan yang ni. 2Z, 2Z. Saya tambah dua-dua ni. First one plus third one. I already eliminate Z. Hapus. Okay, and then saya darab dengan 2. Salah satu. I times by 2. And then this one and this one. Hapus. Can you see guys? Boleh nampak kaedah dia? So now I will only have 2 equation in term of X dan Y. Okay, 2 persamaan sahaja. Okay, so from here, I can try to relate the P and other number. Saya boleh hubungkan P. That's how I find the value of P. Okay, so the concept is again 0 equal to 0. So kamu kena bagi tahu kaedah ni. Then you can get the equation. Kamu boleh dapat persamaan dia. Okay guys, can you understand? So that's why you have this equation equal to 0. Can you see guys? Sama dengan kosong. Because 0 equal to 0. So kamu nak cari nilai P, you want to find the P value that can make this side also become 0. So when P equal to 5, you will get, when P equal to 5, you will not get 0, tapi kamu akan dapat nombor negatif jugalah. Okay, you will get negative 10 equal to 0. Something like that. Okay, so it is still, you cannot solve it. Kamu tak boleh selesaikan dia. Okay, are you clear guys? Boleh dapat? Can? Can, Okay, so that one is how you must solve. Okay, we discussed the last question for today. Soalan paling akhir about the graphical method. I want you guys to know this. Kamu kena tahu yang ni. Macam mana buat kaedah lukisan graf. This one also very special guys. Can you see this question? Pelik kan? Very pelik. Oh, you got this question. Congratulations, Karthik. So you can see whether you get correct or not. But you know your mark already, right? Am I right? Okay, so I just explained lah. Okay, so I just terangkan. Okay, 608. Okay, what? 608 is good, considering it's a very weird question. Am I right? Okay, guys. So the question actually help you already. Soalan dah bantu. Okay, they already give you this table. Am I right? So you just need to substitute the values. Okay, gantikan saja over here. Okay, just sub all the values. Okay, example. You must find your y value. Okay, cari nilai y. Okay, so you can start with this equation. Okay, so x equal negative 2. Okay, you must follow the range, guys. Kena ikut domain. Jangan keluar dari domain. Okay, you must plot based on the domain only. Okay, so you can start with x equal negative 2. Okay, so you will get y equal to negative 4. Betul? Okay, and then you sub x is 0. Then you will get y equal to 2. Something like that. Macam tu. Boleh faham tak, guys? You just sub any value in this range. Means that kamu ada 7 nilai yang boleh. You can sub either one of these value in both of these equation. Okay? To get your y value. Dapat nilai y. Can you all understand? One or two? Satu atau dua? So this is the method. Sangat senang saja. Okay? So may I know this equation, how does this graph look like, guys? First one macam mana nampak? Because of the square. Guys, bila kamu ada kuasa 2, you will always have positive, negative. Can you understand? X kuasa 2. So you will get square root. Square root always positive, negative. Boleh faham? So make sure you take note of this one. Okay, so guys, first graph. What is the shape? Apa bentuk dia? Yang pertama. Sangat senang. You should have what type of graph, guys? Yes, straight line. Okay, graph linear. Okay, second one, guys. Second one very interesting. Yang kedua, bentuk apa? Wrong. Circle, guys. Yes, this is locus, guys. Okay, locus equation. Persamaan locus. Okay, jangan kamu kata saya tak nampak perkali x dan perkali y. Betul? You don't see the coefficient of x and y, but it's still a locus. Okay, we always focus on the x square and y square. Whenever you see these two terms, x square, y square, confirm locus. No need to check anything else. Kamu lihat x kuasa 2, y kuasa 2, confirm dah. It is a locus. Okay? Can you understand? Because whenever you have square, you can have positive, negative. Betul? Bila ada kuasa 2, dia boleh jadi x positive, x negative. Y positive, y negative. So guys, logic, right? X positive, x negative, y positive, y negative. So guys, you have a titik like this. Kamu ada titik macam ni sekarang. Wait, I show you all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, apa bentuk yang ni? So logic, it will form a circle. Am I right? So kamu ada 4 titik. Atas, bawah, kiri, kanan. So this is a circle lah. Logic, right guys? Boleh faham tak? 1 or 2. So yang atas y positif, yang bawah y negatif, yang kanan x positif, yang kiri x negatif. That's all. Sebab kamu ada x kuasa 2 dan y kuasa 2 dalam persamaan kamu. So yang ni y positif, y negatif. Yang ni x positif, x negatif. Guys, NMATH senang ke tak? Senang kan bila faham. Okay, so easy. You already get the shape. Tak perlu plot titik. Kamu lihat persamaan pun kamu dah tahu mengapa bentuk dia macam ni. Okay? So bila plot point, lebih senang lah. Okay, so you just need to plot any point you like. Okay, so just draw the table and then you draw on the graph paper. Okay, so can you see your graph will look something like this. Okay, graph dia macam ni. Alright, are you guys clear? So guys, this one and this one is what, guys? Yang saya bulatkan, apa yang tu? Mewakili apa? May I know? It represent your? Yes, your answer, guys. Nilai X dan Y kamu. So berapa set jawapan, guys, kamu ada kat sini? How many set of answer you have for this question? Based on the diagram. Yes, macam bulatan unit, correct. Yes, two set of answer. Maksudnya kamu ada dua set nilai X and Y. Boleh faham? So X equal to what? Y equal to what? Macam tu. So kamu buat dua kali. Okay, so of course, kat sini sangat susah lah. Am I right guys? Sangat susah untuk baca nilai ni. Betul? Sebab dia kat tengah-tengah. So macam mana? Selesaikan persamaan sajalah. Just solve your equation. Okay, bila kamu selesaikan, kamu boleh dapat jawapan ni. Okay, actually, kamu boleh baca graf juga. Okay, you can read the graph one. Tak perlu selesaikan. Okay, tapi kena bijak sikit lah. Okay, just try to be a bit smart. Okay, so example. This one is 2.8. Am I right? So, kalau tengah-tengah kat sini, maksudnya apa guys? 2.9. Itu nilai X. Okay, kamu jangan bagi jawapan macam ni lah guys. Okay guys, you say X is 2.82. Guys, logik tak jawapan ni saya bagi? 2.82. Yes or no? Is it logic? My answer over here? Yes or no? Okay, why not logic? Kenapa tak logik jawapan saya? Guys, mata kamu boleh baca sampai 2 titik perpuluhan ke? Can your eyes see until 2.82 in the graph? Oh, if your eyes can see until 2.82 guys, you are the next Superman lah guys. Kalau kamu boleh baca sampai ini kamu dah jadi Superman yang baru ke dunia ni. Memang tak boleh baca guys. Orang mana pun tak boleh baca nilai ni dari graph. Okay, because skala tu sangat besar dah. Okay, your scale is too big. Unless kamu guna apps lah. Kalau guna apps, boleh baca sampai 2 tempat perpuluhan. 2 decimal place. Our graph is only 1 decimal place. 1 tempat perpuluhan saja. Okay, that's why kita kena pilih. Choose a value that is logic. Itu saja. Boleh faham guys? Do you understand? Easy, right? Okay. So, are you clear? Can you see guys? Jawapan dia hanya 1 tempat perpuluhan. Only 1 decimal place. Semua jawapan 1 decimal place only. So, jangan bagi 2 decimal place. Okay? Clear guys? So, congratulations. We have finished Form 4 Chapter 3 also lah. Kita dah habis beberapa jenis soalan dah. Okay? So, do you all understand guys today? Boleh faham lesson hari ini? Clear? Kita bincang semua soalan susah hari ini. Soalan bukan biasa-biasa. Okay? Not the usual type